Alrighty, welcome back to more Hogwarts Legacy. And last we left off, we created a character, we watched a guy get eaten by a dragon, and we made our way to Gringotts. And now we are standing in front of Vault 12. So let's see what's behind it.
Vault 12.
Thank you for your help.
What do you suppose we should be looking for?
I'm not sure. Sir, I wonder if you might...
The instructions for Vault 12 indicate that I am to grant access to the holder of the key and then close the door.
Wait!
Best of luck.
Professor?
That was certainly unexpected. Let me think. There must be something here.
That wall's shining.
Revelio, perhaps?
Revelio?
Yes, a revealing charm. No time like the present. Let's see what we're missing, shall we? Ready your wand and focus.
Steady your wand with the mouse and guide it along the symbol's path to learn the spell. Press the corresponding input when prompted to accelerate your wand's motion along the symbol's path. Okay. So... okay, I see. Alrighty. I've learned Revelio.
There! I saw something.
Move a bit closer and try again.
Look, scrolls. What's on the scrolls?
Revelio. A door.
Well, that's a start. There's that symbol again.
We met again. You couldn't see it.
I do, Professor. That symbol has the same glow as the one I saw on the port key container.
Oh, yeah, I
If
guess
what
it
you
wasn't
can see
here.
reveals the way forward, then I dare say
Fine.
we are about to discover the secret of this vault. Lead the way. Lumos! This is no ordinary vault. I suspect we will need to earn our way out of here.
What do you mean, earn our way out?
Yeah,
Do
goods
you
and
think
services.
this is some sort of test?
I do. But to what end, I can't say. Stay close. There will be no disapparating if things go poorly. Not out of Gringotts.
You want to teach me, Lumos?
Revelio. I see something up ahead.
What is it?
That glow again, but on the floor.
Lumos! What happened?
When I moved towards the glow, it suddenly seemed as if the ground was swirling about.
Are you all right?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
You seem to have caused the floor to change.
That statue.
What statue?
I see some sort of statue, but only as a reflection in the floor. Revelio.
I presume this is what you saw reflected in the floor.
It is. The reflection's still there, but the statue's positions don't match. Wait, when you moved, The reflection turned in the direction of the light.
Perhaps you should cast Lumos.
There we go. You don't have to be accurate at that at all. And it is very much on rails. Alright. Oh, well, there's some... Automatically been... Your spell slot... Okay.
Lumos.
Ah.
Well done.
Now the reflection is turning towards me. It does follow the light.
Well, we've investigated our own mugging.
Look out!
Protego!
Accio!
That's not how Accio works.
Levioso! Deposo! Expulso!
I don't think it's how any of those spells work.
Protego! Confuno! Deposo!
Protego!
Levioso!
Revelio.
Deposo!
I can say words too.
Confringo! Descendo! Confringo! Exposo!
What's this one? Okay.
Deposo!
Might need to apply that just a little bit.
Defendo! Levioso!
Protego.
Exposo!
Also, it's Leviosa, not Levioso.
Deposo! Descendo!
Oh,
Confringo!
well, fine then.
Protego! Exposo! Levioso!
Revelio.
Confringo! Deposo!
Protego. Stupefy.
Exposo! Levioso!
Wait, I understand. Stupefy?
Confringo! Deposo! Lumos!
Revelio. Lumos.
Stay close!
Well, there's something there.
Lumos. Revelio. Professor! Professor Fig! Professor, where are you? This isn't good. Where am I supposed to go?
I'll probably follow the lights.
What's happening? The wisps of magic seem to be leading me somewhere.
What are these giving me?
Revelio. Lumos. Revelio. Lumos. Ah, that's where they're leading me. That glow again.
That's alright, I'm going over here.
Revelio. Lumos. Revelio. I suppose I'm on my own this time. Lumos. It seems I have no choice. I'm going to have to fight my way out of here. Protego! Stupefy!
Stupefy only a counterspell? Hold Q during Protego to stun. Okay.
Protego! Stupefy!
That wasn't even the right guy.
Revelio. Protego.
Stupefy. 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 Stupefy.
Revelio. Lumos. Revelio. Lumos. Revelio.
Alrighty. No more chests, huh? Alright, well, whatever. Oh, look, the Mirror of Erised. Or the Veil. I don't know. Something, something. Extra real quick. Okay, that sounds better.
Lumos. Revelio.
Anything else? Yes.
Lumos.
There you are. How did you... What is this place?
I don't know. But I found this floating above that basin.
Yeah, it's loot.
That is no mere basin. That is a pensive for viewing memories.
Yeah.
I wonder... Follow my lead.
Electric swirly.
All is in place.
The portkey is well hidden.
Perhaps too well.
Why don't I know these
I
people's
wonder if
names?
the path we've created.
Maybe impossible to follow. It will only be impossible for one who cannot see traces of ancient magic as I can.
Your ability to see what others cannot will not be enough, Percival. We are entrusting the one who embarks on this path with powerful secrets, with knowledge others will do anything to obtain.
Yes, and if we are correct, Charles, the witch or wizard who completes the trials will have proven themselves worthy of that knowledge, and the responsibility that accompanies it.
We've done all that we can.
Was a dragon a part of the trials?
That's what you're seeing. The glow that surrounded them.
Yes, sir.
Astonishing.
Can I see magic?
Traces of an ancient magic, to be precise. The magic that Miriam had always believed existed, but could never. Miriam, and perhaps George, died in pursuit of knowledge that has been dormant for centuries. And you, it seems, are the key to understanding why. We were...
It all looks rather different than it did a moment ago.
Someone's coming.
Who were they?
I don't know. But, sir, you shouldn't be in here.
I was right.
Ranrock.
Seems my reputation precedes me. I was beginning to think no one was ever going to visit Rackham's vault.
And why are you here?
No need for that. Just give me whatever it is you found here and we can let bygones be bygones.
Sir, they had the key to the vault.
Choose your next words wisely.
I only meant that the instructions to Vault 12 were quite clear. Sir, I must insist. I was to grant access only to one with the key, and you didn't have them.
I have no patience for traitors. Now, where were we?
I'm not giving you anything.
Well, perhaps your young friend here will be more helpful.
Goodbye, Goblin. Well, the statue didn't have the worst aim ever.
I know a way out! Professor!
Are you all right?
We made it.
Fine, sir.
I've never seen so powerful a goblin. He seemed wholly unaffected by my magic.
Where are we?
It can't be. It seems those who set up the pensive, the locket, and the path to both wanted someone with your ability to end up here. Come. We have a sorting ceremony to get to.
The Hogwarts music. Oh yeah, I'm curious that barn owl. I wonder if that's just pre-programmed into the game or if that was a part of that quiz. Interesting. Wonder if I chose a cat or a toad if there had been a cat or a toad sitting on the back of the carriage. Maybe. But that seems like a good stopping place for this part. If y'all are enjoying the series, do definitely hit the like, subscribe, share it with your friends, all the fun things, the comments. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next part.